Key skills for CRISC certified professionals in 2024. Risk identification and assessment is foundational for any CRISC certified professional. This skill is to identify and assess risks in an organization's IT landscape. It includes evaluating their likelihood and impact on business processes. Governance, risk, and compliance. GRC, new data protection and privacy rules make GRC skills vital for CRISC certified professionals. This skill set ensures organizations stay within legal and ethical limits. It also helps them manage risks effectively. Information security controls implementation. Implementing security controls is essential for safeguarding an organization's assets and information. CRISC certified professionals must know how to design and apply controls. They must reduce risk exposure without hurting efficiency. IT risk and control monitoring. Monitoring and continuous improvement of controls is critical for proactive risk management. This skill is about setting up tests to detect changes in the IT environment that may affect risk. Incident response and recovery planning in 2024. Fast incident response is vital. It minimizes damage and ensures a quick recovery. CRISC certified professionals should be skilled at making and using incident response plans. Communication and stakeholder engagement. Risk management does not happen in a vacuum. It needs buy-in from across the organization. Key stakeholders, like the board, executives, and department heads, are especially important. CRISC certified professionals must have strong communication skills. They must translate complex, technical risks into business language. This ensures all stakeholders understand the risks and support the needed controls. Data analytics and threat intelligence. With data-driven decisions now key in business, CRISC certified pros must learn to analyze data for risk insights. Threat intelligence, information on current and emerging threats, is particularly important. Adaptability and continuous learning. Finally, CRISC certified professionals must be adaptable and committed to learning. The risk landscape and cybersecurity tech are always changing. So, pros must stay updated on the latest trends, certifications, and tools. This means engaging in professional development. Conclusion. In conclusion, the CRISC certification is more than a credential. It proves the skills to protect an organization's information in a changing threat landscape.